Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to replace the battery inside smart car key or keyless entry in your car if it's not working. I am using Honda Fit GP5 smart key. So let's first identify the problem. For that I am going to start the car. Hope you hear the beep sound. And also you can see the warning alarm display on dashboard. So the solution is to replace the battery. Let's go and replace it. It's time to replace the battery inside smart car key. So first you need to take the manual key out. For that you need to slide this button and take the manual key out. So now you have the casing and you need to open it. Here you can see what's written on the battery. So it's a Panasonic and it's CR2032. Here the 20 means that it has a diameter of 20 millimeters and 32 means it has 3.2 millimeter height. So its voltage is 3 volts. So now it's time to remove the battery. Okay, here it is. This is the new battery that I bought from a shop. So it has the same specifications as I mentioned earlier. So let's take this out. Here it's better to have the same number. Here I got the same number 2032. Okay, now let's insert this new battery. Then we have to close the casing. And press it. Okay, now insert the manual key again. Now everything is ready. We need to check whether this is working or not. Let's check it. This is after I successfully replaced the battery inside smart car key. So let's first check the locking functionality is working properly. Unlock. Okay, it's working properly. It's time to see the error message has gone or not. Okay, let's check the error message again. I'm going to start the engine again. So now you can't see any error message display on the dashboard. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . So seems like it works properly. So the problem has been solved, and hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this video and want more videos from ThinkGear, please subscribe and hit the notification button.